per key RGB backlighting and a 19-zone LightEdge across the top of the keyboard delivers dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with near-limitless customization. Precision molded 1.5 mm thick 104/105 key PBT double-shot keycap set resists wear, fading, and shine through years of gaming. Gain an in-game advantage with 6 dedicated macro keys, fully programmable for complex macros and key remaps, or swap to the included S-key keycaps and program special streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software. 100% CHERRY MX RGB mechanical keyswitches provide the reliability and accuracy you demand. A detachable, soft-textured cushioned leatherette palm rest offers the plush comfort to breeze through marathon gaming sessions. Per key RGB backlighting and a 19-zone LightEdge across the top of the keyboard deliver dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with near-limitless customization. Programmable with custom macros or key remaps for an in-game advantage. Elgato Stream Deck software. Program streaming commands and swap to the included S-key keycaps for command over your stream. Top reviews from the United States. Durable. Currently writing this after I beat up the keyboard and half the keys came off. Still works and all the keys can go right back on. Also, it survived numerous spills of bare 1 10 out of 10 would recommend for angry gamers who smash their keyboards.